Welcome to the Newt in Somerset, a luxury country hotel which is one of our favorites. This is the entrance. Those are the stable rooms, which are, I think, very big and quite special as well. And that's a clock tower. We once had a visit of a room in the clock tower and it was very spacious. Here you have the Granary, I think, some more rooms. And the garden, and this is leading to the tea. Here is Hadspen House, main house. And the grounds. As you come in, you can have access to the beautiful lounges, which are showing a mix of designed furniture and the old library as well. And this wonderful green on the wall, which is actually a bespoke color made especially for the Newt. So you can't really buy it and do it in your home if you wanted to. This is the summer lounge, a bit more fresh. And there's an old pickup there if you want to play a disc as well. And of course it opens onto the gardens. This is the bar, which is a nice place to have a cocktail before dinner, which is already done using fresh produce. And sometimes in the evening they have live music as well, which is absolutely lovely and creates a nice atmosphere. This was our room, the most recent stay. This is room number 2. It's one of the Hadspen Garden View room category with a lovely view of the gardens, obviously good space, and this is so lovely to wake up to. There's always a very nice bathroom. This is a bathroom for room number 2. We also stayed in number 1, which is another Hadspen Garden View room, which is absolutely lovely, an even bigger bathroom. And this is a cozy category. This is where Mademoiselle slept. As you see, very, very lovely. Any room at the Newt is beautiful, so you can go for the cheapest one and you will still be very delighted by the decor and the amenities. We also stayed in room 8 and 9, which were close to each other. This was the view from room number 8. That was a year ago. So we're looking to the side of the Newt, and as you can see, the entrance as well. So still very beautiful, even if it's not the full view of the gardens. So as you can see, the same style with a nice green sofa, 4-poster bed, and a bathroom. And the bathroom. So a bit smaller in this category, but still very luxurious in style. This was Zoe's bedroom that you just briefly saw, and now the view of the garden. So in the morning what you can do is go to the gym before breakfast. This is the gym with a very nice glass window looking onto the garden. Then you have the restaurant where you can have dinner and lunch, but also this is where breakfast happens. This is the lovely kind of glass area, and you can see the architecture and how they joined the building through the glass roof. It's a buffet breakfast, which is absolutely delicious. I particularly recommend the croissant and pain au chocolat as well, and the homemade jams. And then you could spend your day at the spa. This is the reception of the spa. This is where you wait when you have a treatment. They come and get you here, and through there you get to the changing rooms. And here is the beautiful indoor-outdoor pool. So the first one is very good for swimming. It's heated, but really like 24 degrees, so not too hot. And then that one over there is much hotter. You also, of course, have a sauna, a steam room, and a salt room. And there's nothing we like more than going down into the hot pool and then going outside, and from there looking at the buildings, nature, the sky, And often at the very back, against the wall over there, they have a fire burning. Really peaceful and relaxing. And this is a cooler pool for the summer days, and as you can see there are some lounge seats on the sides as well. This is how it looks like when you're outside of the pool in a sunnier day. And then you can take the golf buggies and go across the estate and go to Farmyard. This is this new space of the Newt which they open, which has more spaces for families. In particular, the pool doesn't have any restricted hours for children. And this is the kitchen Farmyard, where dinner in the evening and of course really lovely. You can go for walks in the beautiful Somerset countryside. Sometimes it can be windy. This is then a beautiful view that you get to within the Newt grounds. So on one side you are having this view of the hills and the fields, and if you turn around you would see Hadspen House at the end of a big alley as well. You can also go back to the Newt. There are some variety of games you can play, such as a kind of badminton game here. We tried and were very rubbish. Or you can also play croquet. This is getting onto the croquet lawn. Kids really like that actually. It's a fun and easy game to play. And we are looking now at the side, showing you a bit more of the grounds and the different views from the building. As you can see, very nice area, terrace for the summer. Again, some more view of the vast expanses of grounds that the Newt owns. And of course the gardens. Now the gardens are open to the public, which is brilliant. So even if you're not a guest of the hotel, you can come and visit all the gardens. They change them all the time. There's always something new to discover, and it's just beautiful. From the manicured gardens that you see here, you've got a Japanese garden, you've got fountains, you've got surprises everywhere. Absolutely stunning. And here is the famous Newt, which gave its name to the hotel. This is their vegetable garden. You can see the house from there. And there is also a garden restaurant on site, which you can go to even if you're not a hotel guest. You can also eat in the gardens. This is the garden cafe. You can go for a walk amongst the trees through this high kind of path. This is the area, welcoming area of the garden with cafes, snacks and so on. And they always have a nice display of apples because they are making their own cider. You can buy in the shop, and the shop has a lot of other delicacies and fresh vegetables. Recently they also created this new Roman villa with a wonderful museum and reconstruction of a villa as they thought it was at the time. It is quite fascinating to visit, very well done, and a treat. So here we go, last morning at the Newt. I hope you enjoyed that tour and that review, and I will hopefully be able to give you more reviews of other hotels. Full details with photos and more are also on the blog if you prefer to read. Thank you. Bye.